Thanks for joining me today, guys. I really appreciate it. As you probably already know from the title, today we're talking about this guy, the Mavic Air. I honestly was not planning on making this video. Through my experience with the Mavic Air, I feel like there's one thing that I need to talk about. There's one really important thing you need to know before buying this guy. It's so cute. And that one thing is best told on the roof. To the roof! I hope this works. So let me first off say, the Mavic Air is an incredible drone. Its image quality and portability have blown me away. This drone is incredibly portable. It folds up into a really nice, small, portable package. It's super light and easy to carry around anywhere you need to go. And the image quality, it's really good. Really good. As you can see, the image quality is fantastic. I have been really impressed with the image that I can get out of this small camera. Now, having said all that, I'm selling mine. Dramatic, I know. It's my first drone ever, and I'm moving on from it. It's a sad day. So let me explain the issue. Let me explain why I'm selling the Mavic Air. Actually, this is easier to show, but I gotta show it to you on my cell phone. So let me show you that first. Sorry, it's not loading. Wi-Fi's kind of spotty here. It cuts in and out a lot. And that's the problem with the Mavic Air. The Mavic Air does not have consistently good signal in the city. The range is pretty poor, and that's a problem. So the Mavic Air uses what's called enhanced Wi-Fi. Enhanced Wi-Fi link is a marketing term that basically just means that the drone can operate on a 2.4 and 5.8 gigahertz bands. The enhanced part of the Wi-Fi just means that the drone operates at a higher dBm or decibel milliwatts than your traditional Wi-Fi devices. Here's the thing though, as far as marketing terms, we would have much preferred to hear the term OcuSync or LightBridge. OcuSync is on the Mavic series and LightBridge was on the Phantom series. These are far superior. It's confusing, I know, but all this really means is that the range is greatly improved and the quality of the video feed to your device is also improved. And yes, I know that the Mavic Air can switch between different bands as well, but unfortunately, in my experience, that didn't help much in the city. Another thing to note about the Mavic Air range is if you plan on going overseas, check what the laws are there first. Because in a lot of countries, it will automatically change your drone to a lower power transmission setting. All this means is that your range is going to be significantly decreased. And this is required in a lot of countries. The whole point here is that the Mavic Air has had really poor signal for me in San Francisco. The signal will cut out pretty consistently when I get at any bit of range. The video will constantly be cutting out on my phone, and that means I don't know what I'm shooting, which is frustrating. Really frustrating. What this really means is that it takes me multiple attempts to get the shot that I really want. And that's time and energy wasted. And video production is all about time and being efficient with your time. And if a tool is preventing you from being efficient with your time, it might be time to move on from that tool. Now that's not to say that the Mavic Air has not given me an incredible amount of fun and awesome shots. All of this has led me to make a big move, and that's to sell the Mavic Air and get something else. Let's go show you that. I got the Mavic 2. Woo. And it's awesome. Let me show you a couple of quick shots of what I've been able to do with it. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Like and subscribe if you can. I believe in you. I believe in you. I appreciate you. One other quick note. If you do want to buy my Mavic Air, just ignore everything I just said in the video. Thanks.